You can hear me, right? Okay. So let's first do the song. Where is the song? Okay. Let me go back and open this, yeah? Okay. I have to go back. Wait a minute, okay? Kerap bagi karedi. Refugee. Okay, I got it now. Okay, so here we go. I share the screen. Yeah. So Yang Jin, after this explanation, then we will do, okay? Oh, what is this? No. Okay, so Dunju is 70, okay? Dun, that's un. Ju, yang, dens. That's Dunju, yang dens. So name of the song. So Kara Pemba. So Kangjin, Tibet. Kang is no, right? Jin means having. Ki of Tibet. Ha is deity. Kel, it means share, yeah. So it's a share. For Tibet, you see, Avalokiteshvara. And China is like Manjushri, like that. So Kangjin Pyogi Hakel. Also, when we do have initiation, then we have a individual kind of a deity, and we call it Kel. So Kel means share. Then Zamling, okay, Zamling, world. Ling means Ling is also island, you know. Zamling, Shi, peace, Shi, De is well-being, Shide. So Shide of, right? Debun. Debun is the pilot, the captain of a ship. So it's a leader. Zamling Shide Debun. Okay. 강진의 표기 하겔 Zamling Shide Debun. Tamba means perfect, excellent. Tampe, okay. Chu, dharma, ki, off. Okay, so Tampe Chu means sublime dharma. U is honorific word for head. U. Ti means to lead. So Uti means leader. Kyabgun. So Kyab means to protect, right? Kyabgun is a protector. So Kyabgun means protector. Yi is mind. Yi. Shin means as your mind desire. See, Shin. Norbo. So Nor means wealth. Also, Nor has many meanings. In Tibet, Nor means yak and di. You see, and then yak, di, zomo. They are called Nor also. So Nor means also wealth. Pu means small, yeah, Norbu. So it means Ishin Norbu, wish fulfilling jewel. So His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Then Gunglo. Lo is age. So Gunglo is an honorific word. Gunglo, age. Dön is the 70s. Dönjik, Dönyin, Dösumya. Gu means 9. So 79. Gur means day, 2. It's this is a particle. or today maybe he will sing Gya, Gyangar, Gya is 85, yeah? Gya, Gyanga, Gyangar, Peppa. Pep, Pep means to reach, also come, go, this is called Pep, means reach. Pepparla, again, Pepper. Gasu, Gasu, welcome, Gasu. Su means to receive somebody, yeah? So Ga means happily receive. Gasu, again, young, melody, Nyen, sweet and melodious. Below means I offer, below. Then what else? So below. Then same, yang nyen, below. Then next is kula, ku, sung, tuk, body, speech, mind. Yeah, kula, chugu. So chugu, the dharma dress or dharma cloth. Namsum. So the three for the monks mean. So namjar. Okay, namjar. Only fully bhikshus wear namjar. Okay. And then lagu or sugar, then it's all monks, nuns can wear. Then tangwe is below. So these are the sugar namsum. Okay. Sung la tse means to ill intent. That is called tse in Tibetan. Tse me means no ill intent. Tse me, so non-violence. And shide, as I explained above, shide. Tugla, the mind. Cham, tang, ingje. So champa is the loving kindness. Ning, heart. Je means king, king of the heart. So that means compassion. Kyamgun, ishin norbu, as I explained earlier, same, yeah. Then kunglo, etc. Then jamling, mimang, okay, people. Mi means human, mang means lot, yeah, mimang, people. Yong means all, yong tang, and lakbar means especially. Kangjen, Pemi, Tibetan people in the land of snow. Okay. Kungi, all of all. Jabne. So ne here is the object of refuge. Jabne. Tamba, sublime, excellent. Kyamgui Shinobu. So that's the explanation of the song. So, shall we? Yangjin, ready? Yangjin, are you ready? Any questions from the song? Karak Pemba. So here's a music stereo at home. Okay. Oh, 다시 들래? 고구민도 Karak Pemba la ke 고구민도
다시 들래?
다시 들래.
다시 들래 공감사 탐을 올려야 다시 들래 피해.
라스. 아니 드린디 게주 갱알라 펩란 땅에.
라스 인데.
Okay, so he will sing the 85, yeah, not 79.
Okay, sure. 알탕부 초라래야 예시디 아니 도시 담바다 아니 가운당 버들이야 카팅체 투체나 쉐이 아니 초라기디 로진라야 예기디 아니 셰디 도스 티버딜이야 오네가라야 교성부치 지상도 Antitolia number to Tamalo Seda, and the Lobu Tamalolia, and the Puila Tonala Nawadilaya Katin Chase, Chishui, and the number Zolia, Nyambarai, Tarine, Tiju Yangi, Kijikinga, Yanela, Dossier, Pulabshui.
Indian Jixon, Indian, to check.
Okay, I will use my broken English. Hello, everybody. Touch the lake. As you know, my name is Krapempa. First of all, I'm very thank you to the teacher Chokla for select my song to on his lesson to teach the through this my song to teach Tibetan language. I'm very happy to choosing my song. So I will. This is my like a small gift to you all, Chogla's student. Today I will sing 85 years old. His Holiness 14 Dalai Lama birthday. Okay, I will start. I'm very sorry, my broken English. Okay, I'm not that much preparation, so I will sing. I will try my best. Okay. Amado. Sorry for the music connection is not so good. I'm very sorry.
Yay! Krishna.
Sorry,
Beautiful song.
thank you. Sorry for the small mistake at the beginning. I'm very sorry.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So nice song.
Lasso, thank you.
Thank you.
Lasso.
Tuche, katinche. Oh, las katin the chenang. Okay, so yang jen la karak pembala tuji shindu che katin shindu chenang xue. So this song is very famous. When His Holiness was in 70s, so he sang this song. But it's a very, very nice song. And the lyricist, I know him personally. We are good friends as well. He's a great poet, and he wrote many poems. If you want to read his poems, very, very nice, very, very quick. He write like that. So anyway, thank you again. So now back to Tibetan, yeah. So you see this, yeah. So I made kind of a flashcard long time back in 2000, I think 10 or 11, I don't remember. Never published. So here we have, you can see ka, ka, and ka, and nga. So ka end with a sound, masculine. Okay, ka neutral, ha ending, like that. So being ka root letter, so you see ka has something on the top, ra, la, sa, same sound or prefix, no change. So it's all ka, ka, it's just ka, okay. Ka. Ka, sorry, let me put this back. Ka, and you see only this, and prefix, and also in Sanskrit here, ka, no change. So ka, ka. Now when you look at this, ka, 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 ka. Now feminine ending a, and then ka becomes ga. Okay. Ka, similar, if there is wasur, then it's ka. Otherwise, all become ga. So ga, ga, ga. Then ga, here all this ga prefix. So then nga, 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 high sound with superscript and prefix. So like this, ka, 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 ga, nga, nga, 6 sound. So it's same with cha. Cha, no change here, cha, but also there is another sound coming from pa, cha, and also cha, cha, yeah, cha, or thou pai the cha, 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 and cha, cha, and also cha, cha, right? It also cha comes from payata cha. Then cha, cha, or like this payata cha. And then it becomes ja. See, something on the top, ja, ja, and cha here, and here also ja. Then cha, ja, ja, like that. Then nya becomes nya. Very simple. Nya, nya, also maya the nya. Okay. And nya, they become nya, or with this becomes nya, like that, Or prefix, nya become nya, or this nya, if this prefix, then nya, like that. Then ta, ta, same here, ta, no change, but ta being feminine, ta becomes the, or it also the, or the, na, or Naradana is silent, right? Or reverse Naradana, like that. Pa, not many. Pa, although pa, only this. Pa, then pa, no ba, become ba or ba prefix here. This is a complex Tibetan letter, hence there is another cut for you. So ma, like that. Ma, then za, same. Now you use the same za, cha, wa. So also here ka, this pa becomes wa. Then sha, sa, ha, nothing. Ya, high sound. Ya, and also it comes from pa. This prefix ta, it becomes ya. Ra, rawasu, and also from here pa, ra, high sound. Ra, la, awasur, otherwise all become la, high sound. Sha, okay, also reverse sha if you want. Sa, okay, sarada sa is silent or prefix. Then ha, so for ha we have just wasur, otherwise ha, sha, ha, and ah being the, if you consider, if you omit, it's up to you, yeah. Vowel a, e, so missing here, something missing here. Then all this, which we have covered all this, and now here, kya, okay, kya, same here. Now it's very easy. Once you know ka being masculine, so everything is easy. Ta, here, no change here. Kya, you know, ta. Now here, kya, then all become gya. Okay, this is Sanskrit also gya. You can say this, yeah. Ta, it's all ta, and it becomes da. Rest are da. Now pa, very complex here. Pa, ba, wa, cha, ja, ya, ta, da, ra, like that. Then again pa, see, pa, ba, no, pa, ba, like that, yeah. Cha, ja, cha, da, and then la, kawa, like that. 11 sounds here. Then Sanskrit, you see, this is the reverse and all this we covered. Then a, I, u, ri, tip of the tongue up, ri, then liri, no, liri, ai. This is not a. Many Tibetans read this a. It's ai, o, no, o, ow. This is ow, ah, like that. And so all cards like this, you know. Okay, so that's about the card. I hope it will publish one day. I made this on the word because I know how to play with the word. Okay, so that's a general idea, okay? Next is, so today we'll read Dagama. Okay, so this is a sutra, and pakpa, see, pakpa, okay? Pakpa is any person who reached the path of seeing is called pakpa. Okay, 5 parts. When you reach the path of seeing, pakpa, then we, above all, they call pakpa. Okay, da means dying, to die. Daga, is the movement of depth. Ye she. Ye she. So maybe I'll use color here. Yeah. Ye she. Ye she is ye. She means mind, right? Ye means without beginning. So it's translated as wisdom, you know. Not right, but it's okay. She chawa. Tekba. Chempu do. Okay. Pakba daga yeshi. She chawa. Tekba chempu do. So do is sutra. Okay, so gyagar ketu. Gyagar ketu. No, now here Sanskrit here. Arya, Arya, Ata, Arya, Ata, Jnana, Nama, okay, Mahayana, Sutra. So that's how to read, yeah. Arya, Ata, Jnana, Nama, Mahayana, Sutra. It's easy. Sanskrit is very easy to read. Tibetan little difficult, yeah. Ketu. Okay. Pakpa, Daga, Yishi, Shechawa, Tekpa. Tekpa means path, the vehicle, the path. Chimbo means big, yeah. Chimbu do. Okay. Sangye Dang. Sangye Dang. So now remember, you see, always be careful with this 11 letters, yeah. Ka, cha, tha, pa, kacha, tha, pa. Then nganya nama, kacha, tha, pa, cha, kacha, tha, pa, cha, nganya nama. These 9, and then 2, ya, and then ha. Okay. So when you remember this, you see, whenever you see ka here, you see ka here. So now it changed. Ka becomes ga. So gaya the gya. So ge, like that. Chang, chup, sem, pa, tamjela to all. Yeah. Chak, cello. Sangyedang, chanju semba, tamjela, chak, cello. Dige, in like Sherab Ningbo. Dagi, tepa, tuchik na. Jumden de. Walk means below. Min means not below, so means it's a topmost, yeah. Walk mean. He Gilbu, the king of God. Kang Sang Na. Kang Sang La, so Kang Sang La. Shukde. Okay, Kang is house, right? Sang means good, yeah. It's old. Now we write something like this, Kang Sang without sa, yeah. But it's old Kang Sang. It's here, palace. Shukde, Kor, entourage. Tamjela, Chu, Dharma, Tempa, Tang. Tempa means to show. Changchup, Sempa, Bodhisattva. Sempa Chembo, great Bodhisattva. Namke Ningpo. Okay, Namke Ningpo. Now here, by Namke Ningpo. Okay, so Namke Ningpo is one of the 8 main Bodhisattvas. Yeah, Namke Ningpo. Kaudo. Yeah. Dedwa. Aksha is sky. Yeah, Namka. Garba, like, you know, Ningbo, Sherab Ningbo, like that, heart. Jomden de la. So he's asking question to Jomden de la. Chak ne. First prostrated. Ike che sulto. It's a sulto means this sulwa is asked in this case. Yeah. 좀 된 데 청축 셈바 남케 가사 전주 셈바 nam means time. Yeah. Nam chikame at the moment of death. Chikama, sakama, dokhama. At the moment. Chikame, sem, mind. Chitar, how. Tawar, ki. Tawar, che. Ki means che. Same as che. Paida chanachata che. Yeah. Che. How should say that? Then, Chomden deki. It's again by. Yeah. Chomden deki. Katselpa. Set. Yeah. Katselpa. Honorific way. Zel means to give. Yeah. A bestow. Ka is his teaching or his speech. Namke ningbo. Okay. Namke ningbo. Changju sempa. Nam chiwe tugi che. So at the time, tugi che. Daga ishi gombar chao. So daga ishi. So that's the easy name. Daga ishi. Gombar chao. Should meditate or cultivate. Telas. Daga ishi ni. Now explaining daga ishi ni. Daga ishi is ni is che tamje. Che all dharma. In this case it's not the dharma but all phenomena. Che tamje. Rangshin ki number thakpe na. Okay. Rangshin ki inherently number thakpe. Okay. Number thakpa means pure. Okay. Thakpa pure. What is the translation here? Naturally pure. Yeah. Okay. Number thakpe na inherently empty. So therefore it's number thakpa. Number thakpe na. Therefore. Ngupo mepe dushe rabdu gompar chao sa. So ngupo mepe dushe. Dushe is thinking, yeah, thought. Dushe. Ngupo, very difficult to explain in English. Meba, no, not exist. Then che tamje Changchuki semsu dupe. Okay, dupe na. So na here means the reason is showing reasoning. Reason. Chetamje changchuki semsu duba. Okay, contained, combined, dupe. Ningji chembu, great compassion. Ningji chembu dushe raptu gombar chao. Che tamje rangshin ki selvena. Okay, is light, selva, clarity. Selvena mimic pe dushe raptu gombar chao sa. So mimic pe dushe. Mimic pe dushe. Ningji dushe here. Dushe. Then one is kardo. Number tabe ngomebe dushe. So here rangshinge number tabe dushe. All this dushe sumdo ana 3 dushe. Ngobu tamje. All things or all phenomena. Ngobu tamje. Not all phenomena. All things. This is difficult to translate. Ngobu tamje. All mitak pe na. Mitak. Tak means permanent. So mita mi is opposite. Yeah. Mitak pe na. Chilayang. Everything. Yeah. Chilayang. Michakbe dushe. Chakba means attach. So opposite. Michakbe dushe. Rabdu gombar chaos. Okay. Then sem tokna. If you know your mind, sem tokna, yeshe yimpena. Sem tokna, then it becomes wisdom. Yimpena, sangye shentu, do not find sangye Buddha in others. Mitzelwa, zel means to find. Mitzelwe, dushe, rabdu kombar jau. So the 5, yeah. Then jomden deki siksu cheba means verse, it's a stanza. Siksu cheba, sikche in short. Sikche te katzel. So Buddha said this. Chö nam rangshi nam thak pe ngupo mepe dushi gom. Okay. Changchup semdang rap den pe 닝제 챔프 두시 곰 최남 랑신 ösel 왜 this way means therefore so mikpa mebe 두시 곰 ngopo 탐제 미딱 빼 착바 mebe dushi gom. Then semni yeshe jungwe gyu. Okay. Sangye shendu machul chik. And chomden deki tike che ka selba tang changchup semba namke ningbo la sokpa, this is a phrase, etc. So on. La sokpe kor duba. Okay, kor is entourage, duba means assembled. Tamche all. Rabdu means very gagu, enjoy, rejoice. Yeah, gagu yirang ne. Okay, chomden deki sungbala ngumpar to ne pakpa daga ishi shejawe tekba chembu do jokso sa. So very nice sutra, short, you know. So if you recite this, you know, this is very good to think about. Any questions? Tiba, you back? 다가 이시도. So slowly you can read, yeah. It's remember this always reading Tibetan. Can I see the title again? I'll send you this. Yes,
Okay.
Sonia, please.
Thank you.
Yes, question, please. Yeah, pakpa daga 이시 시절에 태버침비도. Yes, questions, please.
Can I?
Low.
It calls do, then it is included what is that? The big volume of the sutras. 84,000.
84,000, yeah.
Included in there. This do sutra is included in the 84,000 sutras.
Yes, yes, of course.
In there.
Yes, yes. Chogi Pongbu Gedi Shidong. So Buddha's teaching all Chogi Pongbu Gedi Shidong. 84,000, yeah. So this Papa Daga Ishi Do. So I will send you. Yeah. Okay, any other questions? Questions, please. Tiba, you there? Sonia, you have questions? No? This way. Okay. Very good then.
I have one
Chiu
question.
Mindu.
Hello, Dr. Chok. I have one question.
Yes, please.
In the sutra, almost at the end, there is a phrase that say chondende. I don't know the meaning.
Chomdende. Okay. So we
Because
read, yeah.
when we practice a chot with the Damaru, I say also chondende, chondende. So I want to know.
Good. So where's
Almost at the
Chomdende?
end. Almost at the end.
At the end. Okay.
Almost.
This one, yeah. Chomdende. Okay. So
Yes.
Chom means, now you're practicing chom means to destroy the four maras.
Yeah.
Okay. Chom. Okay. Then means have, possess. Then possessing all the good qualities. So usually it's Bhagwan, yeah. Normally they translate it Bhagwan. This is the Bhagwan. So Bhagwan is it's used also for worldly gods, god and goddesses, yeah. And then therefore it's a de means beyond. Okay. So that's the translation of Bhagwan. Not okay. Chom means destroying the two obscurations or four maras, and then means having all the good qualities. So they means beyond the worldly gods. So therefore it means Buddha.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Now I know the meaning. Thank you.
Okay. Chomdende. Yeah. Any other questions? So te means to praise. Ngumbar means highly praised. Yeah. Highly praised, like that. So this is the adjective or adverb. Raptu, all this in sutra, raptu, ngumbar, all this comes, you know. They are like adjectives and adverbs. Any questions? Chiu Mindu. Chiu Mindu. Okay, so we had a very beautiful song, and and he sang from the heart, yeah. And then we did Pawa Daga Medo. Now, what else? So you can read this, yeah. Papa daga ishi shejebe tewa chimbi dos yagarkedu arya ata gyana nama mahayana sutra begedu papa daga ishi shejebe tewa chimbi do 상계단 전주선바 탐제라 차첼로 이게 닭이 되버 되직나 좀 된데 오밀해 기부 강사나 슈대 코르탐제라 최 뜸바탕 되네 전주선바 선바 첨부 남케 닝부 좀 된데라 차체네 after prostrating 이게 제설도 좀 된데 Bhagwan Sugurwa. Chanju Semba Nam is time at the moment. Chikame Sem Chidar Tawarki Jumdendegi Katzelba Namke Ningbo Chanju Semba Nam Chiwe Tugitse Nam Chiwe Tugitse Daga ishi gombara chau. So daga ishi goms. So meditate. Tela daga ishi ni. So chö tamje rangshingi number thakpe na ngobu mepe dushe raptu gombara chau. So this is like sawa bhava shuddha sawa dharma Sawaba Shuta Aham. So this is here. You use this here. Okay. Chotamje Changchupki Semzu Dubena Ningji Chimbu Dushirabdu Gombar Chao. So first is on emptiness, right? And here great compassion. Then Chotamje Rangshingi Selvena Mimikbe Dushirabdu Gombar Chao. Rangshingi is a mimikbe Dushi. So pretty difficult, yeah. Luminous, naturally luminous. Dushirabdu Gombar Chao. Chotamje Midakbe na Chilaya Michabe Dushi Gombar Chao. So you see, non-attachment. Because when we die, usually, see, when we were born, it's actually the next life is the main cause is the attachment. Okay, so therefore michaba opposite. Michabe Dushirabdu Gombar Chao. Sim tokbena ishi imbes. Sange shindo mazebe Dushu Gombar Chao. So same, you must meditate upon your own nature of mind. Underda? Rabdu Gombar Chao. Chomdendegi Tsiksu Chete Katselpa. Chena Rashin Nantabe Nubu Mebe Dushikom. Chanju Semda Rabdembe Ninji Chimbe Dushikom. Chena Rashin Sebe Miba Mebe Dushikom. Nubu Tamje Midakbe Chapa Mebe Dushikom. Last one. Semni Yishi Jungwe Gyu, the cost rises. Okay. Yishi Jungwe Gyu, Sange Shundu Matsulshi. Jumdende Digeje Katzebadan, Chanju Semba, Namken Ningbo La Sobe Kor Duba, Tamje Rabdu, Gagu Hirane, Jumdendegi, Sungbala, Ngombar Tedo, Papa Daga Yishi. So like that, you slowly can read, yeah, in the future. So now let's do, yeah. Okay, so let's learn the days, yeah. Today is Friday. Thiring sa. Today is Lakpa, right? So you can change to Friday to Lakpa, sa Lakpa. Okay, Lakpa. Okay. Thiring sa Lakpa re. Pasang re, okay? Sa Lakpa re. Ha. It's very difficult. Up, ha, then ak sound. Hak. Okay? Lakpa. Thiring sa Lakpa re. Today is Wednesday, yeah? Thiring sa Lakpa re. Then question, Thiring sa Lakpa rebe. Thiring sa Lakpa rebe. Is it Wednesday today? La re. Thiring sa Lakpa re. Okay? Thiring sa Purpu rebe. Purpu is Thursday. Thiring sa Purpu rebe. La mare. Thiring sa Purpu mare. Thiring sa karere. Thiring sa karere. Thiring sa Lakpa re. Okay, it's pasang Lakpa re. Thiring sa Lakpa re Purpu re. Thiring sa Lakpa re. Okay, so sa like that. So sa in Tibetan here. Sa is day, also planet. Sa Nima. Okay, Sa Nima. So it's sun. Yeah, Nima is sun. Nima. Sa Dawa. Monday, it's moon actually. Sa Mikmar. Mikmar. Mik is eye, right? Mar means red. So it's Mars. Mikmar. Sa Lakpa. Lakpa, Mercury. Sa Purpu is Jupiter. Purpu. Pa Sang, Venus. Pempa, it's certain. Yeah. And then personal names, Nyima, Dawa, Mingmal, Hakma, Pupu, Pasang, Pemba. When somebody in Tibet, somebody is born on that day, and then they say Nyima something, Nyima Drama or Nyima Dawa, you know. So,
Dr.
Tering.
Chok,
Yes.
one question about purple. Purple has to be is connected with Purva? No, Jupiter. Purple.
No, pur also has a meaning. Purpa is purpa with pa.
Purva. Ah.
Purpa. Okay. Purpa. Kila. Wachra kila. Tochi purpa, ya. Thering. Thering. Okay. Ka sang. Kasang. Sang yin. Sang yin. Ka yin. Kanyin. Okay. Nang na nang yin nang yin. She yin she yin. So thiring sangi nang yin she yin guinin junin, like that. We can count, you know. Also we can go back kasang thiring kasang kanyin, like that. So kanyin here. Dunta. So tak is group, yeah, group. When you have group, you always use, then you say tak. Dun means 7, so week. Chu tak means decade. Chu and tak. Gyatak, gya is 100 and tak is a century. Tong tak, millennium, like that, you know. So tak group. Dawa, tha lo, na ning, naning. She ning, shening. Okay. Lo jema. Or you can also say sang lo, like this. Sang tomorrow, right? Sang lo for the next year. Sang lo. Ka she, kashe. Chu tse kashe. Chu tse kashe. Chu is water. Tse is measurement. Chu tse kashe. So maybe in the past they used water for measuring time. Nima kashe. Dawa kashe. Dawa kashe, yeah. Dawa kashe. Lo kashe. Mi kashe. Like that. Then this is kak. Obstacle. Obstacle year. Kak. Lokak. Annual. Lokak. Kunglo is honorific word in the song also. Kunglo. Kungseng, holiday. Kekar, birthday. We in Tibet we never celebrate birthday. Therefore, I did not celebrate on
Why?
10 October.
Why? I am also 10 of October, Dr. Chok. I am
October
also
10.
the same day. Yes. 10 of October.
Jacqueline also October 10, me 10, yeah.
Oh, so nice. And why do you know you don't celebrate, the Tibetan don't celebrate birthday? Why?
We actually, because when we were born, we cry, you know, that's why we don't celebrate.
Ah, I understood. I understood. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
okay. I understand.
No, birthday we hardly celebrate. Yeah, now everybody is celebrating. Yeah. Tu time Chen, yeah, Tu Chen, big time festival. Now Hakar, so now this is a movement, yeah. His Holiness was born on Hakar, Salhakba here. So White Wednesday. Hakar, everybody also we are doing learning Tibetan, you know. hakar, like that. Okay. So sangin, now we know sangi sa pempa re. Tomorrow is Saturday. Sangin sa pempa re. Then you just put repe, yeah. Sangin sa pempa repe. La re. Sangin sa pempa re. Sangin sa nima repe. La mare. Sangin sa nima mare. La mare sangin sa nima mare. Sangin sa karire. Sangin sa pempare. Sangin sa pempare nimare. Sangin sa pempare. So tomorrow is purpu, right? Then you can say sanyi sa purpu rebe la re sanyi sa purpu re. Sanyi sa pasang rebe la mare sanyi sa pasang mare. Sanyi sa kare sanyi sa purpu re. Sanyi sa purpu re pasang re, like that. If you want to learn, then don't look, yeah. Just repeat. And then you will know sanyi sa pembare. Then it's easy, just change this pempa to anything. Yeah? Okay. So, okay, here also, it's spring these days, yeah? Tengsang these days, Tengsang, chi. Now here, chi payada cha, right? Cha, payada cha. We learn payada cha. This is same as cha, right? Cha. Then payada cha, like that. So that let's go back. Where is it? Oh, it's not here. So it doesn't matter. Chika. So chi is a short. Chika, spring. Tengsang, chika, repe. La re. Tengsang, chika re. Tengsang gunka is winter, yeah. Tengsang gunka rebe. La mare. Tengsang gunka mare. Namdu is season, yeah. Namdu. Tengsang namdu karere. Namdu. Tengsang chikare. Tengsang chikare gunkare. Tengsang chikare. Then you can train like this. Chika, chikar. So chikar means chikala. So this is particle, yeah. Chikar mendo shargi re. Then you can add chikar mendo shagi rebe la re, etc. Yeah. Yarka. Now again, ya. This is because of tha, payada cha becomes ya. So yarkar, okay. Charpa is rain. Pap means to fall. Yarkar charpa papgi rebe. La re. Yarka charpa papgi re. Like that. Tun ka is autumn, fall, yeah. Tunkar, again particle. Therefore, we call tuntok also harvest. Tibetan harvest is tuntok, yeah, tuntok, like this. Tuntok, because we harvest in autumn, yeah. Tuntok. Tunkar, debu, mingirebe. Min means to ripe. Debu is fruits, yeah. Debu mingire. Tunkar debu mingire. Gunkar nam sky. Shi means character. So the character of the sky. Namshi, it means weather. Changmo, cold, yore. Gunkar namshi changmo yore. Okay, so namdu shi. namdushi, chika, yarka, tunka, gunka. Okay. Tengsang, si, xing, si, xing. Mentok, but we have like na sound coming here. Mentok. Like normally we say mentok. Okay. Flowers. Tibetan say metok. It's very, you rarely hear metok. They will say mentok, mentok. Shar. Okay. Mentok, shar. Charpa. Pap. This is papa, pa, bab. Bab. Chawa, bab. Charpa, bab. Debu. 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 Okay. Minpa. Debu minpa. Kang. Kang bab. Da minda. So again, there's an liaison coming. Da minda. Minda. Da minda. Natsok. Natsok. Changmo. Sapo. Silpo. Chopo. Chopo. Dukchak or dukcha, both spellings are okay. Dukcha or dukchak. Kipo. Nima. Chobo. Hakpa. Okay. Hakpa. Chabo. So hakpa means wind. Yeah. So when it's windy, we say hakpa chabo. So let me use another one like this. Maybe called daddy. Okay. Okay, so okay, good. Kaya ba ya? Tadanda dito lung. What happened? Lung. Okay. Lung.
No, we don't see.
You don't see? Why? Please remove the window away from the shared application.
I cannot see too. I cannot see.
Okay. We do again. Can you see now? Can you see?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. So lung and then lakpa. Lung is sa chu me lung, like this. Sa chu me lung. You know, earth, water, fire, and then here lung, wind. Yeah. Sa chu me lung namka. Namka is the space, the 5 elements. Sa chu me lung namka. Okay. So here when we translate this is wind, yeah, in English. But in reality, when we have lung in Tibetan, all general atmosphere, this air is here, we call lung. So lakpa is the moving air, lakpa. So this you should know, yeah. Sachu me lung. Now here, this is payata cha. Remember this, yeah. Payata cha. Okay, payata cha. And then mayata nya. This, yeah, cha, 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 nya. So when you see this, you see it's this one, yeah. I don't know why payata cha. Even I don't know pa yata cha. Why pa and yata becomes cha? So cha, payada cha, payada cha, mayada nya. So therefore, because pa and cha masculine, so anything in front, nothing will change. Yeah, payada cha, like this. Payada cha. Oh, payada cha. What's about the payada cha? It's still cha. And cha also, oh, payada cha. Yeah, nothing on the top, we know. Now, this payada cha, cha like this, but au bayada ja, okay, or sabada bayada ja, they become like ja, au ja ja, or lajada ja, like that. And then this is very complex. And then if, for example, payada cha has a prefix like ta, then ya is same as ko ya ya. Okay. So for example, Yangjian ma Saraswati, Yangjian ma. So yang is the melody, yeah? Or you can like yang is the luck. This is yang, this is luck, yang, this is melody, yang. Okay? So when pa is preceded by ta, this pa the cha becomes ya, like ya. Oh ya, high sound of ya. Then maya da nya. So tho maya da nya, high sound, yeah. Pasama da maya da nya, like this. So keep this in mind, yeah. It looks quite complex. Any questions here? Shiba Yuve? It's clear, right? Okay, let's go back to here. Because suddenly, you see, we know cha cha chanyan, suddenly pa comes and then yata comes. It's quite confusing, yeah. So remember this, yeah. Yes, chuchu. Let's learn time. It's 1 o'clock. Chuchu tangpo re. So in English, you don't say it's 1 o'clock, but we use tangpo here. We don't say chuchu chik. Chuchu chik means the duration of time. Chuchu chik. When we say 1 o'clock, we say chuchu tangpo. So that's a difference. Okay. Chuchu tangpo re. Chuchu tangpo repe. The rest you can read, yeah. Chuchu tangpo repe. Chu te sound. Chu te. 추즈 당보레베 라레 추즈 당보레 추즈 니빠레베 again. Okay, 추즈 니 means 2 hours. 추즈 니빠 means 2 o'clock, yeah. 추즈 니빠레베 라마레 추즈 니빠 마레 추즈 가츠레 we already know. 추즈 당보레 추즈 당보레 니빠레 추즈 당보레, like that. Okay, we go learn a little bit vocabulary. So 추츠 or honorific word 착츠. So 착 is hand, so we put watch here, so that's why it's now honorific word 착츠. So time 착츠 가져, it doesn't mean this, yeah, but that's the way it come from. So time 착츠, 추츠 or 착츠 both are okay. Then karma minute, also star karma. Karcha, cha means part of karma. Karcha second. Tangpo, nipa, chupa, chukchik. Okay, chukchik chuni, no chukchipa chunipa. Remember this, yeah. Yölne, so yöl means go beyond, yeah. Cross, yöl means cross, so past. 당보 열네 past 1 o'clock, yeah. 당보 열네 karma 주영아. Okay? 당보 열네 karma 주영아. 당보 당 karma 주영아. You want to say 당보 당 1 o'clock and 15 minutes. Karma 주영아. 체가 half, yeah. 체가 당보 당 체가. Okay. Now this is simbala. Sin means to reach, to catch also. Simba. Simbala. Ngapa 5 o'clock. Simbala karma chionga. 4:45. Okay. So this we say behind, you know. Ngapa simbala karma chionga. It means direct translation would, in order to reach 5, they are 15 minutes. Ngapa simpala karma nishu. Okay. Ngadang karma chu. Okay. Ngadang karma chu. Chutse chuni 12. Tak tak. Exactly. Tak tak. Tak. Shokpa morning. Chuze dimba. Gongzhou evening. Chuze dimba. Okay. Nin is day. Kung means meet. So Ningung, we want to say Cenggung here. Cen is night. So Kung means the meet. Ningung chuzu juni. Cenggung chuzu juni. Okay. Chuzu kubala zinta tsukire. Tsuk means start. Zinta tsukire. Zinta is class. Chuzu kubala zinta tsukire. Chuzu chubala zinta 12 means finish. 12 means free. Yeah. Chuzu kazu gor means take. How long does it take? Chuzu kazu gorgire. Dikare. So here's a mistake. Yeah. Karma. We start the karakar and ma. Karma kazu hakduk or chuzu kazu hakduk. Hak means remain. Yeah. Left. Hak. Wonder that. Hak. So you can play with, yeah. 당보 당 체가래. 추수 가수열에는 당보다 체가래. 당보 열네 까르마 쫑아래. Then play 당보 열네 까르마 쫑아래베. 당보 열네 like that, yeah. 당보 심발라 까르마 쫑아 둑. 당보 심발라 까르마 쫑아 둑. So always use duk here because you are seeing, yeah, 당부 심발라 karma 쫑아 duk. 당부 심발라 karma 쫑아 요래. 당부 심발라 karma 쫑아 요래. Makes sense, yeah, but usually when you're saying duk, yeah. 당부 심발라 karma chuduk, like that. So these are the meanings here. You can check. That's it for today. Any questions? Yeah.
Question about we can say chutso chuni tak tak. Can we say chutso chuni tampa? Chutso chuni tampa. Is it correct or not?
Tamba you mare. No. Tamba is you use only with 0. 주주 tamba lega chebayin. I worked 10 hours. 주주 tamba lega cheba. That's okay. 주주 dun tamba nilama. Tamba is used only with zeros, yeah. You have to find zeros. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Chok.
Yes. Any questions? Please ask questions. Yeah.
One more question about sa, gao sa, sa. I meet two writing. Ra drengbo se sa re sa, and another ra drengbo se without sa. Which one is correct?
Resa. Okay,
Resa,
let's type. Yeah.
one with sa and
House.
another without. Ra drengbo.
Very good. Do you see now? Do you see this, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So resa. Okay, his question is sa. Yeah. Sa. Sa. So re means reme, yeah, because it comes in turn. Okay. Re. So one after another, one after another. So therefore it's called re. Okay. Resa. The other spelling resa, no, it's wrong. This is wrong spelling. Yeah. It's question. Okay. So sa or resa, it's both it's fine. Resa karire, sa karire, resa karire, it's both okay. Did I answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? Yeah. Is a, u, a plus u, it becomes o in Sanskrit. And then ma. So ma we put on the top. So that's why a, u, ma. This is a combination of body, speech, and mind. So indestructible. That's therefore they put together a, u, ma. Sambhava. Say that. Sawabhava. Sawabhava. So is very, very powerful, because it means your body, speech, and mind. Also, it means your purest body, speech, and mind. So it means both. And money, peme, pema. Okay. Then peme, without putting this hung and hung like this. Okay. So money is a jewel. Yeah. Money, the wish fulfilling jewel. Money, pema is lotus. So money, bodhicitta, pema, understanding emptiness. So then if you put me, then means mani pema, oh mani pema. So this is the name of Avalokiteshvara, mani pema. Okay, Norbu pema, Tibetan Norbu pema, like that. Norbu pema, yeah, or pema norbu, whatever you do, put it here, pema norbu or norbu pema. So this is calling in Sanskrit. It's the better, interjunction, peme, like tara, tara, tare, like this. Tara is drama. Tare means oh, tare, oh tara, like that. So meaning is like this, yeah. So nurbu pema. So auma, body, speech, and mind, become purest body, speech, and mind, because if you practice mani and pema, not one by one, but together. Okay. So that's why hung, mani peme hung. So then when you use this, then it becomes a union of method and wisdom. Okay, so interesting, yeah. Okay, any questions from the Tibetan language? Because we have now it's almost finished. I said very quiet. What happened?
I am quiet. I'm learning, digesting little by little.
But I'm very happy. I'm every day I'm studying every day. Every
Good.
day I study every day.
Good.
You know. So sharpening my wisdom.
What is the meaning of your name?
Sorry?
Chok Tenzin. What is the meaning of your name? Chok Tenzin.
Chok means excellent. Kun chok. Same. Chok.
Oh, nice. Tenzin
Like
is
kun
holding, no? Holding, no? Holder.
Ten means Temba, Buddha Dharma. Zin means hold. Tenzin.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah. Tenzin Melam is given by His Holiness Dalai Lama. Chok, my family. Then Pelchok is my new family name given by Sakyat Dhakti Rinpoche. In 2012, I asked, please give me a family name. My family name is Wokma.
Wokma.
Wokma. Wok means
Amitabha.
below. Yeah? Below. Because in Tibet, we are in a very small village, and my home is in the below, next to the river.
Yeah.
So everybody say Wokma and Wokma. So I don't like this. Very inauspicious for me, Wokma, you know. And then I asked Sakyat Dr. Rinpoche, please give me a family name. So he gave me a long name, family name, but it's too long. Then I shortened Pelchok.
Good.
Okay. So
thank you, Dr. Chok.
See you next
Thank
week.
you,
Study hard. I'm very happy teaching Tibetan, yeah, because I also made this very logical. So now you use little bit time to understand it, and then Tibetan is very easy, actually, very easy. It's a very advanced language, and you know the only nine letters. Remember 9 letters. This you remember. After learning kakakanga, and then remember these 9 letters, and then everything becomes easy. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Chok.
Salhakpa la jeyong.
Salakpa.
Yeah.
Inang.
Lasso. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Kalachana.
Lasso, yang je tu cek